What's up, YouTube? Just out here in the shop. Been working in the house and got everything kind of tidied up to the point where now I'm just waiting on the HVAC company to get here. And so I came out here and decided to mill some boards. I found some lumber up in the attic of the house that is probably from about the same time when it was built. And let me show you this here. It's really nice looking, quarter sawn. So you can see the grain there. I guess it's sort of borderline, quarter-line, rift sawn oak. Really beautiful grain. I was able to salvage this board. Not really sure what I'm going to use it for at this point, but it's a gorgeous grain on it, man. Just absolutely beautiful grain. And this, like I said, this board's probably 100 years old. It's just laying up in the attic. You know, rough sawn. I just jointed this face here, and then I forget which face. Oh, actually this face, because there's a little bit of snipe. I need to adjust the jointer. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's a little bit of snipe right there that I need to adjust the jointer because I haven't set the infeed table for flatness yet. But anyway, yeah, this gorgeous reclaimed wood here. Not really sure what I'm going to use this board for, but it is just an absolutely beautiful piece of oak. The grain on this side is just gorgeous. And anyway, yeah, absolutely love the helical head on this planer. It just does such a gorgeous job cleaning stuff out, or not cleaning, but you know, planing the, because it was all rough sawn and looked like this. But you know, I just jointed one side, jointed another face here, and then I can run it through the table saw and clean up this edge here, and then it's a usable piece of lumber. But anyway, yeah, just thought I'd show you that. Just kind of waiting for the HVAC guys to get here and put in some more outlets over here. I ran 30 amp for the planer, or the thickness planer, 30 amp for the jointer, even though it only has a 20 amp plug on it, so I may just keep this as a spare, or I may just change the plug over on this to a 30 amp and use this 220 line for my dust collector, because I'm thinking what I'm going to do is this dust collector doesn't have enough power to pull the chips out of the planer here, so I may buy another one of these cheapo ones and just use it for, use two of them to suck the chips out of my planer, because I don't really want to spend the money on a, yeah, you can see the chips up in there. I don't really want to spend the money on a big Cyclone one. I mean, I'm trying to keep the cost down on the shop here, and I might just do another little, you know, $200 blower like this and run both of them, you know, to pull the chips out of there, because this one pulls just fine out of the table saw and the jointer. But anyway, just thought I'd show you that and show you that nice piece of oak there. And I've got the floor joists that they cut out of the house. I saved all that stuff, and I'm going to try and reclaim as much of that as possible. I don't know, you know, I don't know how it's going to work out. Looking at a bandsaw, I was going to get a molder for making the siding, but I decided that I think I'll just do it on a bandsaw. I think that'll be faster and a little cheaper than getting the molder. So, I think I'll just roll with that and try and use that. But anyway, yeah, just thought I'd show that off. And oh yeah, other side there, I got a Powermatic sign. I couldn't resist. You know, I really like this Powermatic equipment, and so the other day when I was on Amazon, I saw that, and it's like, okay, you know, it's 20 bucks. I gotta have that just for the shop out here. But anyway, yeah. I also I've been kind of thinking about my workflow for the cabinets and stuff, and I saw a perforated cut table that is just made out of vertical MDF. You know, strips that I think I'm going to build one of those here, and for cutting, you know, sheet goods. I figured that'll make it a lot easier. I can just slide it out of the back of the truck because I've got the door here. I'll move the planer over, move the table saw down, and then have my sort of rough cut station over here. where the planer is now, and kind of move everything down about 10 feet and just have it where I can back the truck up here, slide my sheet goods out, slice them up on the cut table, and then just trim them up to actual size on the table saw here. I think that'll be a little easier to do. I may leave the planer close to here, where once we really get cranking here, we're going to be planing, several, close to a mile of, about 5,300 feet of board, or 5,300 board feet of wood, and I guess it's not really board feet. I guess it's linear feet of board. But anyway, yeah, I think I may just use these to blow the chips straight into the truck when we're doing that, to try and make a cleanup easier, because I think we're going to have, a crap ton of shavings, and we can just use those for mulch. But anyway, yeah, I just thought I'd show that off here and kind of give a little quickie there. But yeah, the cut table I'm definitely taking a video of, and I'm putting that together. I found one that somebody was using in conjunction with a Festool track saw, and so I think I'm gonna go ahead and put that together. I think it's just gonna take like 1 or 2 sheets of MDF, and I think that'll really make things a lot easier, because I can just slide the sheet stuff out of the back of the truck, slice it up on that, and then cut it up from there on the table saw. But anyway, that's where I'm at this morning.